Don't let rust eat away at your car. Protect your investment and keep your vehicle looking and performing its best with our professional car undercoating service. The primary purpose of undercoating is to create a physical barrier against moisture, road salt, dirt, and other corrosive substances. This helps prevent the formation and spread of rust on the car's frame and other vital components. Undercoating helps to preserve the structural integrity of the vehicle, extending its overall lifespan. The thick, durable layer of undercoating can absorb impacts from rocks, gravel, and other road debris. Invest in your car's future. Schedule your undercoating service today with Carbonzone.